Good afternoon, beautiful people, and welcome to a classy situation. My name is Valencia, and today I am so excited. I am going to be doing a review slash haul on a black-owned jewelry company. The name of the company is Erratic Designs, and I'm going to put the creator's name on the screen because I'm not sure if it's Lynauja or Lynauja. So I'll put her name on the screen, and of course I'll have the earrings linked below. But I'm so excited to do this because I've been wanting to purchase earrings from her for the longest, but she's normally sold out. But recently I was able to catch her collection, and she even has a few sales. So I decided to go ahead and splurge, and I must admit I've already opened the package and I am pleased. I am so pleased. So if you do see me looking down, it's because I want to read the names of the earrings so that you guys will know when I hold them up the correct name for each one. But again, I'm going to have her information down in the description box. So let's get into it. So it was delivered United States Postal Mail, and this is one of the boxes that it came in, and here's another one. So it says thank you, and it has a little ear with an earring on it. And when you open it, the earrings are there, and she has like the little filling paper. And so I'll start with these, and I will try these on. I'll put a picture on the side so that you can see what they look like on, and I'm also going to open them. But first we're going to get started with these pair. This is the Bermuda dangles. This is the packaging that it comes in, and this is the back. Don't you just love this? It's something about when people take the time to package. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I don't know if y'all can tell, but here they are up close. Very nice, very nice, and they're such good quality. Like, sometimes I'm hesitant when it comes to handmade jewelry because of experiences that I've had, but I must admit this is the best. I mean, it's not like this is good stuff, and you know I'm a fan of gold. Again, this is the Bermuda dangles, and I just love the colors. It gives me so many options when it comes to outfits. It's very summer appropriate, very spring appropriate. I mean, you could dress these earrings up, you can dress them down, but she did an amazing job. So those are the Bermuda dangles, and again, I will put them do a try on, and I'll have it here on the screen. The next one is the Grinch stone, and the names are so appropriate. This is the Grinch stone, and I love that she has messages on the back. So this one says, "Darling, you deserve good things." See it? Gorgeous. I'm gonna take this out just so you can see them up close. Isn't that a gorgeous color? Very nice. And of course, you know I love gold hardware. Next, we have the Arizona surfboard. Comes in a clear packaging as well, and on the back it reads, "Honey, you wear the earrings, don't let the earrings wear you." And if you know me, if you're a person that I talk to quite often, or if I've ever engaged in any type of conversation with, you know honey is one of my favorite words. It's the term I use for endearment, but here it is on the back. And I just thought that was such a nice touch to put on the back of the earrings. And here they are. Again, this is the Arizona surfboard. Very nice. Okay, now in this box that I show you, she has cards. And this first card, this little pink one, it reads, "We know the world is full of choices. Thank you for choosing us." And then she has her social media handles at the bottom. And on the back it says, "Thank you for the love." Very nice touch. And then she has her business card here. I don't know if it'll focus along with this. So I'm going to go out on a limb and say that this is her logo because I see this on everything. And then for this box, I did get some studs. And these are the Desert Storm studs. And I thought these were cute. On the back it says, "Girl, you've got great taste." And that is the truth, honey, because I do. And that's why y'all here. Because y'all know I got great taste. Y'all know. Here they are up close. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh my goodness. She did such a great job. Such a great job. I mean, the quality is just, I'm in awe. But again, guys, I only bought 4 pair. I plan to purchase more at another date. But I'm so glad I got the opportunity to get these pieces. Because like I said, she sells out. You know, you know what it's like when you're an entrepreneur. Everybody, especially a black one. Everybody doesn't have like a full staff. And the shipping was quicker than I anticipated. I was expecting it to kind of be a while before I got it, but it actually came, I would say, within 5 to 7 business days, maybe sooner. Seemed like it got to me pretty fast. But like I said, she did an amazing job. The packaging, the thought that it took to put in the thank you notes and just to have the little affirmations or encouraging messages on the back. I thought that was a very nice touch. These earrings, you know, you can wear them, like I said, summer, spring. You can dress them up, dress them down. And I'm trying to get more into, because I'm really a fine jewelry type of girl. But I am trying to get more into fashion jewelry a little bit more, especially something with a little bit of color. And what I like about earrings that are multicolored, you can wear them with a simple, solid outfit. And for summertime specifically, I can put on a solid color sundress, a nice colorful earring, a bag, and go on about my day. It doesn't take much thought. The earrings, they are definitely statement pieces, so they do enough on their own. But I do appreciate you guys for watching. I really encourage you to go and support her. Again, the name of her business is Erratic Designs. She's on Instagram, she's on Facebook, and I researched it before I recorded the video, and I saw that she was on TikTok. I'm not sure how active she is, but what I do know is she's active on Instagram, because that's normally where she kind of shows how she designs her earrings. So, and I do like that she takes you on the journey, and she drops collections pretty often. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the team. We are growing slowly but surely, and I am so thankful that you guys take the time to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys next week. Bye.